guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to Teen Talks. For today, we will be talking about a new brand that I came across sa Watsons when I was looking for a new toner kasi mauubos na yung ginagamit ko, and I thought, bakit hindi ako mag-try ng panibagong product to see baka mas mag-work sa akin. And naisip ko, if Korean products are at craze right now in the Philippines, why not try something from Japan? Speaking of Japan, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. It's the HADA LABO brand. It's currently available in the Philippines. Dati, kailangan mo pang magpabili sa friends mo who's traveling to Japan para lang makakuha ng products nila. But right now, sabi ko nga, it's currently available at Watsons. And nakakatuwa kasi ang lalaki kasi ng products nila, ng mga packaging nila. And sabi ko, baka hindi mag-work sa akin. Natatakot ako. So, I want to try it. Pero, hesitant ako kasi syempre, kailangan you be wise as well when you're purchasing products. Hindi pwedeng bili ka lang ng bili. Tapos, pag hindi na-work sa'yo, sayang lang, itatago mo. Good thing they have this travel pack. Pero para sa akin, I treat this as my tester pack. Susubukan ko ngayon yung kanilang 3 products. And this is the lightest line. Meron pa silang ibang variants in red, blue, and gold. Later, explain ko kung ano yung mga difference. But this one, I would definitely try. And if this really works for me, ito na yung susunod kong bibiling toner. So, mag-wash na ako ng face. Okay, so kakatapos ko lang mag-wash. This is how my skin looks like without makeup. Ang feeling ko ngayon that my skin tightens at napaka-smooth ng feeling niya. I don't feel any irritation, walang makate, walang namumula. Hindi siya masyadong mabula when you wash your face, pero nararamdaman ko na natanggal niya talaga lahat ng dirt at lahat ng makeup, ng powder na nasa face ko kanina. So, may tightening feel dito, oh. So, feeling ko parang nababatak yung skin ko. Nice. Ang equivalent ng lotion na term sa Japan in terms of skincare sa atin ay the facial toner. So for them, this lotion contains 4 types of hyaluronic acids, which sabi nga dito, it deeply moisturizes at the deepest layers of your skin. It traps the moisture, yung hyaluronic acid na yun, that keeps your skin smooth, soft, and supple. So let's try. So, makita nyo, clear siya, pero hindi siya ganon kalabnaw. Then, if we will try the texture, medyo konting sticky siya. Kasi nga, hindi siya parang water lang. So, dun mo nararamdaman yung moisture. Wala rin siyang smell. So, ang lambot. Mas malambot na to kaysa dito. Kasi ito yung may lotion. Nice! Try na natin yung kanilang Hydrating Lotion. I'll just put it in my palm. Siguro mga 5 drops. 5 drops ba yun? Parang sobra sa 5 drops yun. Rub it in my palm and idadab ko lang sa buong mukha ko. And as I dab it on my face, nararamdaman ko talaga na naiiwan siya and may konting feeling, again, wag kalimutan ng inyong neck. Whatever's in your face, dapat ay nasa neck. Because your neck is part of your face area. Ibang girls dyan, daming pinapahid sa face, nalimutan ng neck, pumuti ang face, naiwan ng neck. Alright? O kaya, banat na banat ang face, nagsasag na ang skin sa neck. So again, anything you put in your face, kasama po sa face area ang ating neck. It's the extension. So, yung mga natitira sa mga 5-6 drops lang yung ginamit ko. And ang feeling ko ngayon, pag ginaganyan yung skin ko, parang medyo may konting lagkit. Parang kumakapit. Pero patuyuin lang natin. Let your skin absorb all the hyaluronic acids. Let it seep deep down in your skin for a more soft, smooth, and supple skin. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung kanilang Hydrating Light Cream. So, una pa lang, natuwa ako sa packaging kasi it's color pink. Alam niyo naman, mahal na mahal ko ang pink. Pag tinignan niyo siya sa loob, para siyang, parang watery yung cream niya. Hindi siya sobrang creamy. Yan. Yan. Malapit na siyang tumapot. So, ganun siya kalay. Hindi siya sobrang creamy. It's not gonna be heavy on your skin. Doon pa lang nagugustuhan ko na siya kasi in the Philippines, ako honestly, hindi ako mahilig maglagay ng moisturizer kasi feeling ko nag-oily talaga yung skin ko kapag nagbo-moisturizer ako in the morning. So, I normally use creams at night lang at hindi sa umaga. So, kukuha tayo ng konti para makita nyo yung consistency niya. Ganyan siya. Not too sticky. Very light yung feel. Kapag nirub mo na siya, para na siyang nawawala. So, excited akong gamitin. Upward motion when you're applying anything in your skin. Outward, upward motion. And again, whatever is naiwan or exists, don't forget to rub it in your neck. So, ayan. It's the 3-step process of the HADA LABO product. Suggested to use this range of products in the morning and in the evening twice a day, as easy as 1, 2, and 3, like how the Japanese are doing it. So this is the finished product after using the 3 products, the facial wash, the hydrating lotion, and the hydrating light cream. This is how my skin looks like. It feels very soft and moisturized at this time. Walang unnecessary odor. I don't feel anything. Walang mahapde, walang makate. It just feels soft and moisturized at this point. So, I will be committing to use this product for a week or 2 hanggat wala akong nararamdaman na kakaiba. And let's see anong magiging effect niya talaga sa aking skin. So, that's it. That's the 3 products that I use from HADA LABO. HADA LABO is developed and researched by 2 pharmaceutical companies in Japan that is joined together, the Rosso Pharmaceutical Company of Japan and the Mentholatum Company. So, huwag kayong magtataka if sometimes you will see the Rosso HADA LABO or the Mentholatum HADA LABO, they're just the same. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the bell button. Thank you very much, guys. Again, this is Teen Talks, where we'll talk about everything you want to know. Bye!